All right, today let's implement the concept of endorsement. So first things first, we need to open the workspace. I'll open our sales report workspace which we are working. Now, in order to endorse items, we need to first locate the item. Let's say I want to endorse this sales team report. I'll click on these three dots. I'll click settings. And if I scroll down, here we go, we have the endorsement. So endorsement basically has the options uh, promoted and certified. So promoted indicates the item is useful and is recommended for broader use. For certified indicates the item has been thoroughly validated and is officially approved by the organization. So we need to select the appropriate endorsement level. So if I let's say I want to mark as promoted, I'll choose promoted and I'll click save here. So as soon as I save it, now if you look here in the sales team report, I can see promoted here. The batch is now the endorsement batch is appearing next to the item in the art workspace. So now you might be thinking like, what's the use of it? So the outcome of endorsement is like easily discoverable, recommended for general use. And for the certified items, it's officially validated and trusted for critical reporting. So that's what it goes, the concept of endorsement. I hope you found the concept helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.